Alright, it's 2 a.m. and we're supposed to sleep early, but it's 2 a.m. These are the vlog moments that are not captured in video normally, where we stay up until 2 a.m. and 4 a.m.
JR's scared for you to know what his life is really like.
This is what life is after you quit engineering. Just kidding. I've always been like this. Okay, that was just the nicest couple ever. I overstayed the Airbnb time because I lost my wallet. Found it in my backpack. And then they gave me coffee, and then they gave me directions, and were just super nice. And then they kept wishing me happiness in the rest of my life every day moving forward. Like broken English. But it was really sweet. Russell dropped off the car to the airport, and I'm on the way to the bus stop. This is our first time apart on this trip, and I'll have to take some public transport. So a little bit of a different morning to the day. I'm so tired. I woke up at like 6 a.m. Google Maps is telling me to go there, or I could go up here and cross the railroad. Oh no, I'm gonna have to cross like a bunch of people's homes, so I'm not doing that. Okay, going through some areas. Not gonna lie, I'm a bit sketched out. I'm here at the tram station. Need to catch the 234. So I missed 2 of my buses, and now I'm trying to get on this one. Also, notice I'm on a different bus stop because I got on a bus and then I thought it was taking me the wrong way, so I got off on the next stop. And turns out I'm just stupid. So I gotta get on the next one. I'm finally on the bus. I'm here. Apparently Russell's here. I don't see him. What the heck?
I think you were recording me without realizing it.
Unrecognizable. Oh, gosh, that was a fuck fest to get here for me.
Yeah.
Because I kept missing, like...
Leave JR alone for one bus ride.
Pastries. Look how thick this hot chocolate is. Oh my god. Wow. Hello. Yeah, my stuff's there. Thank you. Ooh, shit. Oh my gosh. My donuts.
How much do you think it was? Like,
This has been quite the trek through the rain. Yeah, it's a vibe though.
wait, JR, why are your pants down?
We're in Austria now. Vienna, Austria.
I've never seen a double-decker metro.
We are out on the street now.
Oh, nice. We live right by a park.
Oh, nice. Hacky sack every day?
Just say hacky
16. Platz. Oh no. What's the instructions to get in?
It says the code you get by message. Let me see if this...
Keybox is at a hairdresser place. Okay, well, we're greeted by the dark. I was born in the dark. Oh my god. This is dope. Yo, what the heck?
I know, there's so much...
I didn't see these ones.
Quick kitchenette.
Yo, this is nice.